In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm for research for content creators. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once you are on the main dashboard, you are ready to set up a workspace for your project. Click the option that says Create New. This creates a fresh notebook, which helps you keep one content topic and its research organized in one place. Next, you will upload your research materials. In the pop-up window, choose the sources you want to use. Notebooklm can work with common options like PDF documents, YouTube links, and files from your cloud drive. After you add them, you will see them listed in the source panel on the left side. This panel is important because it shows exactly what Notebooklm is allowed to reference. A helpful tip is to use sources that match the content you are making, such as interview transcripts, studies, articles, or your own notes, so the answers stay focused and accurate. Now move to the chat panel in the center. This is where you will analyze your sources. Type a clear question about your topic, like asking for a summary, key takeaways, definitions, or supporting points for a specific claim. Notebooklm will respond using your uploaded sources, and it will include clickable citations. Those citations let you jump straight to the exact place in the source where the information came from, which is useful for fact-checking and for pulling quotes. When you get a response that you want to keep, click Save to Note on that answer. This is an easy way to build a collection of the best insights as you go, so you do not have to repeat searches later. Finally, look to the Studio panel on the right. This is where you can generate instant content outputs based on your sources and your research. Click Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview, depending on what you want to create. These tools can help you turn research into a format you can refine into a script, presentation, or video plan. With your sources uploaded and your questions asked, Notebooklm can answer questions across your research and help you stay organized from start to finish. And that covers everything you need to know.